Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX, and if your turn signals do not work guys, front, rear turn signals do not work, stay with us guys, we will show you which fuse is for the turn signals. Now, quick introduction guys, we will have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. So let's start on it now. So the fuse guys for the turn signals now is actually not under the hood in the main fuse box. It's a little bit hidden and we'll show you where it's located. You need to open the driver's side door. Now if you guys need to buy replacement fuses, check out guys, we have a link to where you can get the fuses in the description of the video below. This whole fuse box guys for a very affordable price, so check it out if you need any. Now if you guys come this way, okay, you can see on the left side next to your brake pedal right here, for the park brake, you need to press the pedal all the way down. You have one cover, slide that thing over, grab it, okay, and pull it out. And you have a fuse box guys, okay, right here. Now the fuse that we're looking at, okay, let me just reposition here. Okay, it's fuse number 6. So if we start guys on this side now, okay, right there, on this side, it will be the 6th fuse from on the left side from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 20 amp fuse guys, 20 amp fuse. Okay, it's this fuse right here, that's the fuse that we're looking at. That's the one for the turn signals. And if it's okay, if it's burnt, you just pull it out, replace it with a new one, okay, and pretty much you will be ready to go. What I like about guys, okay, about this fuse replacement fuse box that we bought, it comes with a free fuse puller, so it's very convenient to replace the fuses. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Please guys hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.